Welcome! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add music on your video using CapCut application. That's why make sure to watch this video till the end. The question is, how important a good music in the video? The visual or the whole shot cannot stand alone to tell the story, but with good music, effects, or sounds can give the audience or the viewers a hint to what they have to feel. Music track is the quickest way to inform the audience about the particular scene or shot. Hello everyone, what's up? I'm Yue and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button to be keep updated. So now let's start the tutorial by opening the application. If you don't have the CapCut application yet, please download the application on your Play Store.
Open your CapCut application, then click New Project. Select Video or Photos, click the circle to select, then click Add. In the preview, click Add. Now when you see this, you can now add audio. You can add audio by tapping the plus sign Add Audio or by clicking Audio menu at the bottom. This is what you will see when you click the Audio menu, then click Sounds menu. In the Sounds menu, you can select to any current category of music in the CapCut application. You can select between travel, plug, fresh, heal, warm, or beat. Select this folder so you can choose between extracted or from device. What I do is I select from device button. Now able to see the list of music from your device. You can search the music in the search engine to see the music that you like to add. By clicking the title of the music, you can play the music before adding to your project. Click plus sign to add the audio to your project. You can now see the audio added to your project. Select the audio, go to the end of your video, then click split. Split the audio, click the delete button to remove the other part of the video that wasn't needed. This is what you can see after deleting the portion of video. To see the result, please click this play button. In addition, you can adjust the volume by clicking the volume menu.
That's it in this video. I hope you enjoy and learn from this tutorial. Please also watch my previous video. In this video, I give 5 tips how to make your own video using your phone, and I also have a tutorial how to make your own clickable thumbnail. Thanks for watching.